Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon shipping carrier options. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, let's dive into how to use Amazon's shipping carrier options to streamline your fulfillment process. First, log into your Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory section and click on Manage Inventory. Find the product you want to ship and click Send Replenish Inventory. As you set up your shipment plan, you'll come to a stage where you confirm the shipment. Now here's the key decision point. You'll see the option to choose between Amazon partnered carriers and non-partnered carriers. For the smoothest experience, go ahead and select Amazon partnered carriers. They handle everything from shipping logistics to providing you with the freight cost up front. Remember, pickup charges are not typically included in this total. After making your selection, confirm your shipment plan. You'll receive details on the freight cost and any other relevant information directly from the Amazon partnered carrier. And that's it. By opting for Amazon partnered carriers, you're ensuring a streamlined shipping process with clear cost visibility right from the start. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.